Hello friends, this is Naveen Kumar and today we will review yet another new traffic product called Oromode. Oro means gold and Oromode is tapping that gold mine. It is the world's most beginner friendly buyer traffic and recurring commission system without product creation, videos or any experience. It is going to be launched on 29th May by Wilson Nova and Russell Kim. As usual, the price of the product will increase with the time, and my elite bonus are extremely time limited, and most of the times they are valid for only couple of days. So, if you want to take maximum advantage of the offers, I'll recommend you to subscribe my YouTube channel and click that bell button to receive notifications in future. Let us dive into the usual. Let us discuss what is going to be revealed in this my review. We will discuss what is Oromode as a traffic source, how it is different from other traffic products. We will also discuss about my elite bonuses. We will go through our sales page, and as usual, I will tell you a hack to save money while purchasing any marketing or software product on these platforms. We will go through the members area and demo overview, and we will discuss about upgrades of the products that you will see after purchasing the main offer. So let us go and see what is this Oromode all about. Oro means gold in Spanish. Oromode is shortcut for tapping unlimited riches online. So Oromode makes you unstoppable for the traffic requirements, rock solid solution for buyer traffic on demand, step by step rinse and repeat formula, multiple industry leading traffic sources to maximize profit in the shortest time. Real world case study so you can easily duplicate our results. So our Oromode is going to discuss all these things. Oromode will teach you how to earn commission with the help of three low cost paid ads. One is solo ad, second is Bing ads, third is Instagram. At a very low cost and harness the free organic traffic from Facebook to make thousands of dollars month. Apart from the three paid traffic methods, you will also get to know that how to increase your Facebook following and how to increase your organic traffic using Facebook. No mailing list, no social media experience or product development is necessary. So this is what Oromode is all about. I will show you what are the benefits. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. 100% beginner friendly, 3-in-1 buyer traffic on demand in any niche, easy recurring commissions, unique ultra low competition model, no YouTube, no email list, no social media experience or product creation needed. Takes just 20 minutes a day. If you have 20 minutes, let's dive into it. Stacked with the proof, real users making money in their first hour. And mostly, no questions asked, 30 days money back guarantee. So these all are benefits loaded with Oromode. And if this wonderful traffic source is coming before you, I will not make you come. If this wonderful product is coming before you, I will not make it alone. I will make it accompany with my wonderful bonuses altogether. The first bonus I am going to offer is Goodwill Access Goodwill. This is the first bonus. This is all about after signing to this product. If whenever you want to promote, there would be a free front end offers would be given to your buyers. It would be free for them, and you will get commissions if there are this free gift is associated with its upsell. So whenever they buy an upsell, you will get commission. So goodwill will definitely make you rich with some good wishes. The second bonus is all about build your Facebook following fast. The straight point, how to build your Facebook following as soon as possible. The third bonus is build your first website in three easy steps. Oro mode tells about all about traffic. The third bonus gives you about how to make a website in three easy steps. The fourth bonus which I am going to give you is another traffic method, access insurgency. This also tells about insurgent traffic. The fifth bonus is all about vendor bonuses. So these bonuses of around $1,100 value would be accompanying with Oro mode. So these to grab these bonuses, you have to press these orange color buttons or anywhere on the bonus page, either this orange button or otherwise on the top of the page. Click here to grab our Oro mode. If you press all these buttons, you will go to sales page. Sales page will look like this. World's most beginner friendly buyer traffic and recurring commission without product creation, videos, or any experience. You have 20 minutes a day, you got this. 100% beginner friendly, 3 in 1 buyer traffic on demand any niche, easy recurring commission, unique ultra low competition model, no YouTube, no email list, no social media experience or product creation is required. Takes just 20 minutes a day, stacked with a proof real user making money in just 1 hour. So get instant access. Don't miss this opportunity. The claims are big. The people behind this are also worthy. They have proved themselves in the market. It This is a lengthy sales page, all supporting their claim. So you can see how the beta testers have got results and their feedback here. You almost This is not like any other traffic source product. The good news is it is 100% beginner friendly. You just require 20 minutes a day. It's a multiple sources battle test convert to recurring commissions. It's not about a single commission, it's about the recurring commissions. As discussed in this lengthy sales page, vendor bonuses are also been here. So vendor bonuses, which there is a detailed videos training is also there. There is one profit case study is also discussed to have a live practical experience. So these are the vendor bonuses. The first bonus is Continuum, high ticket commission, beginner friendly system for making up to 750 commissions per sale. 3 pre-made top converting automated webinars included, plus step-by-step traffic training by legendary 7-figure earner Jono Armstrong. The second bonus is Launch Leader, cash in from YouTube. See exactly how to turn simple review videos into consistent commissions on YouTube. Pro tips on equipment, tools, and shortcuts to making videos that people buy from. Third is Aurora Pro. The complete system allows user to funnel built-in free traffic into included automated webinars. The fifth is insurgency. I discussed that. The fifth bonus is instant affiliate system from scratch to commission. 7-module video training course that covers the basics in beginner friendly over the shoulder format. So with my 4 bonuses along with the 5 vendor bonuses, you are going to be rich in experience. And the main offer Oro mode is going to give you a bounty. So now it is your time. So let us go and watch how the sales page is looking. We are on the Oro Mode membership area. Here you can find Wilson Nova's detailed introduction and welcome video. You will get to know overview how of entire program. So in these tabs, actually, they will discuss how to find right offer. You will also get to know what are the tools required, like autoresponder, landing page, maybe email swipes, everything. In this page, you will get to know how to create a headline so that it can be eye catchy and attention grabbing. So they will also tell you preparing for the gold sack, as Oro means gold in Spanish. So how to sack your gold. So unleash Oro power here. Here they are going to discuss the three main methods. Like I just give a snippet for you. These three methods are nothing but one is solo ads, second is binge ads, and other is Instagram. Uh, you will also find free traffic training on a Facebook. Uh, so this is all about you, whatever the bonuses you have got, it will be revealed here, and you can get the upgrade up from Oro Pro upgrades here. So it is a very user friendly, simple, aesthetically looking membership area. Uh, it is not. It is yet another traffic source, but seems to be genuinely tested and came forward to help the community. So it would be better actually you use grab this offer and use it. So what are the upgrades we have? So if it, as you have seen this thing, the front end offer is $12.95. As I told you, whenever going there is a hack. Whenever you are going to purchase any product on like this software in the markets like Warrior Plus or JVJu, try to come out of the sales page. Sometimes, most of the times, uh, you will get a pop-up of discount, so you can utilize. So if it is mentioned as 12.95, the pop-up comes of discount $4. You just use that, it will fall down to $3 or $4. I'm just giving an example, not exactly here. So the first upgrade is $27. As I said, whenever you are going for upgrade, try to this is another hack. You don't buy at the first instance. uh, Press that no thanks, then actually it will show you the downsell of the same product. So downsell is $17, upgrade is $37, downsell is 27, upgrade 3 is $97, downsell 3 of the same product is $47, upgrade the 4 is $97, $47, $97 total. The front end Aura mode, pro version, auto mode, DFI campaign, do it for your campaign, unlimited traffic thing, allow customers to put their pixels on our sales page and have a digital email list. And the fifth is resellers, right? Here are again, I want to summarize. So Oro Modis will teach you how to earn commissions with the help of solo ads, binge ads, and Instagrams at a very low cost, and harness the free organic traffic from Facebook to make thousands of dollars a month. So we don't require any mailing list, social media experience, or product development necessary. The benefits are 100% beginner friendly, 3-in-1 buyer system, easy recurring commission, unique ultra low competition model, no YouTube, email, social media is required, just 20 minutes day. You are before a great traffic source. It is coming along with my wonderful bonuses, access goodwill. It is give free and earn more. Based on that concept, the second is how to increase your Facebook following. The third bonus is how to build a website in 3 easy steps. Fourth is another traffic source insurgency along with the bonus bundle. So hope we have made this product to facilitate your buyer's decision. I hope this will help you in making an educated and calculated decision. I am concerned about your hard-earned money. I I always try to make your decision 100% of worth of it. So if you like my attempt to make benefit to you. Hope please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press that bell button to get a notification about my future review. Thank you. Thank you for watching.